Hello students, this is your geography lesson. Students, you know that we have done Unit 5 Mineral Resources successfully, and I hope that you have understood a lot about the mineral resources available in Pakistan. Today we will answer two different statements. Here is statement A. Pakistan should locate new sites to extract metallic minerals like iron ore, aluminum, and manganese, as these are precious metals. Statement B. Pakistan should continue to import high value minerals to feed its large scale and heavy engineering industries. Students, the question is, which statement do you agree with more? Explain by referring to examples in Pakistan. Students, question is, which statement do you agree with more? Explain by referring to examples in Pakistan. Now we will answer together. We will answer to this statement together. Let's start. Pakistan is importing iron ore, manganese, and coal from China, the European Union countries, and Australia for its iron and steel industries. Students, we have learned that Pakistan is not capable of using natural resources available in Pakistan. We are not in the position to use, to process, or to extract these mineral resources easily. So, Pakistan has to import iron ore, manganese, and coke from China, the European Union countries, and Australia for its iron and steel industries. Students, iron ore is a rock or mineral from which iron can be extracted, and manganese is a mineral that is found in several foods including nuts. It is considered an essential nutrient because the body requires it to function properly. And quark is also a solid fuel made by heating coal in the absence of air. And European Union is a political and economic union consisting of 27 member states. So students, these minerals are badly required for the iron and steel industries in Pakistan. So we have to import them from different countries in the world. These imports are adversely affecting Pakistan's balance of payment, as Pakistan is already a heavily indebted country. Students, we know very well that Pakistan is a progressing country. We are doing progress day by day. We are not independent state financially. We are struggling for that. If we import heavy items from other countries, it will barely affect the balance of payment. We will have negative balance of payment in this regard because we are already owing money. So it will be harmful for the economy of Pakistan. Moreover, international political disturbances may affect these imports that will damage Pakistan's struggling economy. As I have already told you that Pakistan is struggling economy. So if there is international dispute or political disorder in any country from where we are importing the minerals, so it will also damage Pakistan's economy. Therefore, it will be wiser to locate and extract Pakistan's own mineral deposits. So, students, it is better for us, for the economy of Pakistan, that we should utilize our own resources. We should plan plan something to extract mineral deposits. For this, Pakistan should develop projects like Sandak Copper Project in Balochistan. China is already investing in such projects. Students, we know that China is a neighboring country and friend of Pakistan. China is also a trade partner of Pakistan. Here we can see that Chinese products are available in Pakistan market and we are using Chinese material in every field of life. So China is also helpful in this matter. Recently discovered gold deposits in Reko Deg, if extracted with a strong political will, may significantly improve Pakistan's economy. If Pakistan's political environment will be safe, will be safe and favorable for the common people, for the investors, for the traders, it will improve Pakistan's economy. If political parties will be stable, government will pay attention towards the extraction of minerals, it will improve Pakistan's economy. Pakistan can develop infrastructure in Balochistan to set up some large scale industries and thus reduce the inter-provincial disparity by developing this province. Students, we know that Balochistan is such a province that is full of natural resources, that is rich in mineral resources. So government should set up some large scale industries in Balochistan. Balochistan infrastructure should be developed. It should be improved for the betterment of different industries so that they will minimize the difference between other provinces. This way, not only the import cost of Pakistan will be reduced, but also the problems of terrorism and security will be solved. If we will improve the infrastructure of Balochistan, if we will pay attention towards the development in this province, we will produce more things in our homeland. We will utilize our own mineral resources, our natural resources. So, in this way, we will have to minimize our import from other countries. Similarly, the problem of unlawful use of violence, especially against civilians, will be solved. So, students, this is your lesson for today. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.